First up, we're going to draw a line that curves just slightly up, just like that. Next up, we're going to draw a line that goes around and over and down, just like that. Then all we have to do is add a circle right over here. And then we just take a line from here and draw it over to the circle. And that's the top of Santa's hat. And if you guys find I'm going too fast, you can always hit pause or you can rewind me anytime. But I recommend watching the video at least once or twice before you start trying to draw it yourself. Next up, we're going to draw Santa's big beard. So we're going to do a giant U shape all the way down and then back up, just like that. Then we're going to draw two eyes for Santa. So we're going to do one eye, two eye. And the eyes, when I do eyes, I like to draw a sort of a circle and then a circle around that circle, like just a half circle touching it, and then a color in the rest. And that is the glimmer of the eye. Perfect. We do it over here, a circle and then another circle, color in the rest. There we go. We got some glimmer for his eyes. Next up, we're going to need to draw the nose. So the nose would be between the eyes and just draw kind of like a C shape. And then we're going to draw the rest of his beard. So we're going to take a line down from here, goes down, and then it starts to go over and up a little bit. This is like his mustache area. Same thing on this side. And then in the middle, we just do a little whoop, whoop, a little like that, and then a mouth. Perfect. That's how you draw a quick and easy Santa face.